Welcome. Today, we're elevating our understanding of one of the most fundamental tools in makeup, foundation. Many of us see it simply as a way to cover things up, but in reality, it's a sophisticated tool for creating a perfectly optimized canvas. Think of it less as paint and more as a way to achieve uniform complexion integrity. It's about strategically equalizing skin tone and refining texture to prepare for everything that comes next. Over the next few minutes, we'll dive into the professional strategies for selecting, preparing, and applying foundation to achieve that seamless, flawless finish you've been aspiring to. Let's begin.
Achieving a truly professional result starts long before the first drop of foundation touches your skin. The most critical step is strategic selection. This isn't just about how light or dark the shade is, it's about aligning with your skin's unique undertone. Your undertone is the subtle hue beneath your skin's surface. To find yours, look at the veins on your wrist. If they appear greenish, you likely have a warm, golden, or peachy undertone. If they look more bluish or purple, your undertone is cool, think pink or red. And if it's hard to tell, you're likely neutral. Once you've identified your undertone, the ultimate test is the jawline swatch. The perfect shade won't just look close, it will completely disappear into your skin, creating a seamless transition from your face to your neck. This is the secret to avoiding that dreaded makeup mask. With your perfect shade selected, the next step is to prepare the canvas. The finish and longevity of your foundation depend entirely on the skin underneath. First, hydration is non-negotiable. If your skin is dry, reach for a rich emollient to create a smooth surface. If you tend to be oily, opt for a lightweight humectant-based moisturizer to hydrate without adding shine. Next, let's talk about primer. Primer is the essential adhesion layer between your skincare and your makeup. It's not a one-size-fits-all product. A silicone-based primer is incredible for blurring the look of large pores and fine lines, creating a super smooth texture. If you need your makeup to last all day, a gripping or tacky primer will act like a magnet for your foundation. And don't forget color-correcting primers. A green-tinted primer can neutralize redness, while a peach or orange one can cancel out deep hyperpigmentation before you even apply your foundation. Now for the application. Your technique is what dictates the final finish, from sheer and luminous to full, flawless coverage. First, choose your tool. A dense synthetic brush is perfect for buffing product in for maximum coverage. A damp, high-density sponge will give you a more natural skin-like finish. The key is that it's damp so it blends beautifully without soaking up all your product. The most important technique to master is the stippling and press motion. Avoid dragging or wiping, as this just moves the product around and can create streaks. Instead, dispense a small amount onto the back of your hand. Begin applying in the center of your face, around the nose and forehead where you often need the most coverage. Gently pat or stipple the foundation onto the skin. Then use a pressing and rolling motion to blend it outwards towards your hairline and down your neck. This tapers the coverage naturally, ensuring no harsh lines. Finally, let's reframe our mindset with a crucial mythbuster. Many believe foundation is meant to conceal everything, including texture like fine lines, acne scars, or pores. This is a myth. In fact, over-applying foundation in those areas will often exaggerate texture, making it more noticeable. The true professional purpose of foundation is uniform color equalization. It's there to even out your skin tone. For concentrated discoloration or significant texture, you should rely on dedicated products like concealers and pore-filling primers. Mastering foundation is an exercise in precision and restraint. It's about using just enough product to enhance your skin's inherent quality, not to mask it. By applying these principles, you can elevate your makeup from simple application to true artistry. You're now equipped to achieve that flawless, uniform complexion.